I'm Steffan Chambers and this is Elan Roberts, and we're studying A-level here at Coleg Meirion-Dwyfor Dolgellau. The secondary school where I was didn't offer A-levels, so it was the natural choice to come to Dolgellau really, and I've heard that it was very good.
After GCSEs, I decided to come to Dolgellau because it was the closest place where I could do A-levels. And when I came during the open day, all the teachers seemed very welcoming and they all knew their subjects very well. I also got a scholarship, so that helped with getting money to buy books and stuff.
Part of my course, I've had various visits from people who work in the legal system with A-level law. I've also had people visiting the drama department as well. It's been quite exciting and an outlook as to what happens in those industries as well.
I've enjoyed having people coming into the college and visiting us. Like Bangor University came into chemistry and they brought a mass spectrometer with them, which is a very expensive piece of kit, which is very important within chemistry. So it was very interesting to see that other aspect of like the work outside of the syllabus. The college has changed me in the fact that I'm more aware of politics and things outside of education because of the back. And I think that's made me more ready to go out into the world of work because of the back.